Hello guys, no, today we are back. We got a little Volkswagen Golf, so we are just going to change the drive belt or auxiliary belt here. It's on this side here, so I already removed the fuel filter out of the way. It's just a 10 bolts that were attached there, and I'm just gonna lift up the car and get to the rest. So now we remove the wheel, and we're just gonna remove this plastic bit here so we can expose the belt, the bottom part of it. Camuflado.
Wow. You're gonna remove the sound.
There you go.
Lovely.
As you can see, the bottom is now exposed. Osh, Maria. Yeah, you can self-film. Now we are going to put this spanner on the tensioner, which you can come here. It's right there, as you can see. And if I put the 16mm spanner here, it fits right very well. And then I just need to push it down like that. Yeah. And while I'm pushing down, I'll put a drill bit in there, so then it holds the tensioner loose. Okay. So yeah, wish me good luck. In terms of luck, I ain't got no luck.
Come on, Natanya, you go to the gym. All of that gym is to be for something.
It ain't for this. Shit. I hope this doesn't snap. As you can see, it's holding.
You broke the
So
car?
now I'm going from below of it, and then I'll remove the belt quickly before it comes out. Can you see?
Oh, yeah.
Now I can just slip it out. There we go.
Oh, wow.
Grab the new belt. We're on the alternator first. And then around the crankshaft and everything else. Make sure it's all aligned. Like that. By the drill, that's okay.
Oh, Natanya. I nearly break that.
You need to pay more. That's fine. So yeah, now I'm just gonna.
Have you back?
Yeah. So I need to push it down. Remove the drill bit very carefully, and then very carefully lift, and that's it. You got pressure, all in place. Very good.
Wow. 2 seconds, guys. 2 seconds.
That's it.
What you doing now?
Just putting the fuel filter back in. Oh, same car as me. And let's start the car.
Oh, you know that the key is stuck. I'll tell you now.
What? ¿Está bien? Hey, okay.
It's okay, no?
Yeah.
¿Puedo parar?
Puede parar.
Yeah, that sound.
So yeah guys, now everything is back together. I put the plastics back on, wheel back on, put the car on the ground. And that is it. I think she is happy.
I am.
Happy? Very good.
I am. Getting
Lovely.
your car fixed for free is great.
What you say? Okay, let me provide a puncture here. Just
No, please.
no gracias.
Check
All right.
the key.
Yeah, I'll check that. She's, this woman is giving me more job now.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll get on it.